Welcome back to my channel. It's Jobin again. Today we are going to discuss share permissions, how you can give various permissions in share. So we're going to discuss that. Um, we are going to be looking at these are the resources. You can look at the resources here in the ALS intranet. It's advisable you always go through these resources because it will be a helpful tips for a better understanding. But now we'll start by looking at the task one after the other and try to solve them. Now, the requirement is for us to use VI Emacs. These are just the requirements you can go through when you're watching this video. But don't forget, our first line of our code should always be exactly this. Use a blank file. Then your script should be exactly 2 lines. When you print it, it should print 2 to show that it's printing the number of lines your code is taking. So I should also include the readme file. So this is the quiz. This quiz has been solved for you. It has been solved for you. So you look at the resources when you watch this video, you'll be able to understand what is happening in the hood. So let's go straight to the task provided. For the first task 0, my name is Betty. Create a script that switches the current user to the user Betty. So you should use exactly 8 characters for your command plus 1 character for the new line. You can assume that user Betty will exist when we run your script. So we are going to do this task, and now we'll create a directory called file permission in our repo. I will now create a file called I am Betty. Let's go ahead and initiate this concept. To do this, let's navigate into our software ELS software system engineering directory. So we are there now. We hit it. We are there. So let's cd to the our root directory. Oops, let's create a directory in the repo directory mkdir. Hit enter. Now the next thing we need to do, let's see the next task. So I'm going to create this file called Betty. We just provide, this is the directory that we are now. We want to create a file there. We're going to create this file in the directory. Just paste the file name there, we copied. So this is the file I want to create, 0 and Betty. So just do touch. To create the empty file, we do hit enter. We have created the file there in the directory 0shell. So let's go and create a readme file. So we do echo system engineering learning. You can call it anything you like. Just a guide to allow the user know what your code is all about. So let me write it into this place. Readme, write the file name .md, which is the extension. So hit enter. So you have created a readme. So let's see the list of what you have done. You created a share permission, and you created a readme. Oops, okay. we are supposed to create a readme in the share permission directory. So let's do that. So let's cd. Okay, no need. Okay, let me just cd there since we'll still work there. So let me just cd there. So let me just cd to the directory and create a readme there, but you can create it without using plain cd there. So we're in the permission directory. So let's create a readme file. Create. Oops. Echo. ALS software permission learning. You can name it anything you like. It's optional. Now you can write. You can name it whatever you wish. It's your choice. Whatever you want to name it. It's not compulsory. You must do what I did. That's MD. We have created the permit file. Directory and the readme file. So let's go ahead and do the task. So create this switches. We'll do VI into which file we create there. Okay, so I'm dirty. So what to create permission that switches user. So we're gonna do that. So V center. So don't forget to do I to insert to make to put our editor into insert mode so I can write anything in the text box. So do our normal chain bang to make it a bash script file. So just hit B and bash. So here we're gonna give the user permission to switch current user. So it's just SU Betty. We are switching from the current user to the user Betty. So SU Betty is the command to switch user. So we are done. Do now use the W to write to save, then Q to exit editor. So let's convert this file into executable file, which is tmod to do it. Tmod u plus x. Hit enter. Don't know if it's executable now. We click it. You can see it's now showing yellow. The Betty. Now, the next thing we need to do, let's see if it actually prints 2 lines or more than 2 lines. So let's do that. Generate the file. Okay. So let's see if it actually print 2 lines as the instructed us to do. So here we're gonna do WC to print the line minus L black. So you can see here it printed 2 lines. So the next thing we're going to do, we are going to do the Gitcard and Git commit and Git push. So let's go ahead and do that. So we just do Git add, Git commit with the flag. Correct the first commit. So let's push it to the repository. Git push origin master. This is it. So let's go and check our code. Check our code. We just do this. So you can see our code is correctly checked. There is no errors. So let's go and do there are no errors here. So let's go and do the next task. For the next task, say write a script that prints the effective username of the current user. So should create it. Do that in the file called one who am I. So let's go and do that. So for we create the file name that we copy. Create the file first. We create the file. Let's not paste it. Let me see if we can paste it with Control P. Let me see. Let's paste the file here. This file is not pasting. Let me see. Okay. Paste the file. We touch that we are creating an empty file called that where am I in the shell permission directory. So hit enter. So let's now let us set the permission now. Chmod, make it executable. U plus. Remember to set all the permissions to be executable as a requirement. Chmod, let's provide the file name who am I? Who am I? I think I'm correct. One, who am I? Okay, so the permission is this. I do ls. You see the permission, you can see it here. So the next we have to do, let's do the requirements and set the commands. So let's edit the file who am I. So you can use vi or vim. So I used vim before. Let me use vi. The all text editor we can use. So here we'll put in inside mode. So you just copy the shebang. We just type in the shebang command for creating bash script file. You just do it. They will do b /bash. Then go to the next line and do the next command. So print the effective query name of the user. We'll do this. Let's provide this command who am I. So this is just it. This is just it, nothing more. So let's exit let's remove the text editor from edit mode. We have done that, which is we use escape to do that. And I'll provide this column. Then we'll do W and Q to save and exit the text editor. Let's do that. So now you just do git add git commit -m when the flag. Let me call it permission. Let me current user. That is the git message. It can be anything. If you wish, whatever you wish, you can use it as your git commit message. Hit enter. So let's do git push. Origin master. So hit enter. So let's go and check if our code successfully run. So you can see our code successfully run. So we are done for that task. Let's go on to the next task. The next task, say write a script that prints all the groups the current user is part of. So to do that, let's first of all go and create the file called to group. So here I'm gonna do touch to group. So create an empty file called to group. Create file. Can we put it? I think it's to group groups. So do enter. I put the file. Let's just change it to executable file chmod u as usual plus x. Then provide the file name, which is two groups. That's it. Hit enter. We have created the permissions. You can see here the third one, two groups. So let's do vi into this. Let's do vi into. Let's edit this file with the text editor. So let me use vim this time around. So you can use vim or Emacs. as specified. So here you just use insert mode, put it in insert mode with I. Then now you do the normal shebang creating shebang command to create a bash script file. So just do bin, then we'll do bash, then we'll provide the command that will do that function we want it to do. So to print all the groups the current user is part of, it's just simple. You just type groups and it will be shown to you on the screen. So this is the line of code. So let's just exit the editor with escape on our keyboard. Let's do let's save and write save and exit the editor. So now I'm done with that. Let's do Gitcard. Let's do git commit minus git commit its commit. Let's indicate the flag minus m. Then let's do we are waiting it to let's commit it to any message. Let me say groups. Let me commit it with groups. So reliability, you can give it any name you wish. Then git push origin master. So I'm gonna do git push origin master. So I haven't done this. We hit enter. So let's go and check our code. So check our code if our code is correct. Well, you can see our code is checked correctly. So let's go and do the next task. For the next task, write a script that changes the owner of the file write a script that changes the owner of the file hello to the user Betty. So let's change the owner of the file hello to the user Betty. Let's go ahead and do this. First, we'll copy the file name we want to create now. Then our editor command. We'll do similar thing we did before. Touch, create the file, create empty file. No, I don't know why this is giving me. So try to copy paste, okay. So touch. So let's do the commands. Let's make it executable. So I think owner, yeah, owner. So it's gonna be owner, yeah. I think that is the right thing. So let's make it executable. So to make it executable, as we know, chmod u plus a plus x. That's it. We hit enter. We do ls. You see, it has shown us here. Now let's do vim into the file. So let's just delete this and do vim into the file. So let's edit the file, create a content for it to do that function we want it to do. So here, normal use I to enter our edit mode. Then normal will just provide our shebang information. So we earlier mentioned. Here provide it with this. So bin / bash. Okay. Enter. Provide the next line of code. To do this, we just do sudo chown. Change the user chown. Guys, with the user now, sudo switch the user chown to the user. So we're gonna do hello. Username is who? The user is who? Hello. We are changing it to what? Betty. So giving the permission, this is the command to do that. So change owner, change sudo, change owner to hello, from hello to Betty. So that's it. So let's do escape and do save, exit the editor. So we'll do git add. we'll do git commit, my end flag, then provide, let's say, owner here, I call it owner, then do enter, then do git push to the repository, git push, git push origin master, so hit enter. So go and check our code. Let's check our code now and see if we are correct. So our code is wrongly checked. So there's an error. So let's go and fix it immediately. Go back to our file again. So see the error here. So we're supposed to change from Betty, from hello to Betty. So change the file from ownership from hello to Betty. So provide the hello here. So change Betty, change change our hello to the file to the user Betty. That's what this means. So let's do escape as usual and commit this file again. You see it will work now. So let's do git add, git commit, in flag. Let's call it, as we said before, ownership. Let's hit center. Let's do git push this time. Okay. Git push origin master. I think we already have that before. Okay. Git push origin master. So let's check our code. See if it will work this time around. So you can see our code is correctly checked. So let's go ahead and do the next task. For the next task, which is task 4. So we are asked to write a script that creates an empty file called hello. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's copy the file name called empty file. So let's go there. Here, let's do touch. The file name is empty file. So create it, then change the ch permission mode, ch mode u plus x then provide the file name you want to change the permission to executable permission to executable. So I will make I want to make the file executable. So oh shit, so as it give me to paste here. Okay, so hit enter. So we do vim into the file we want to work on. We did enter. So we do I'll give enter the insert mode. Then what we'll do, we'll provide the shebang information here. So you just do this, then this being bash as usual to make it executable bash file. So hit enter. As you may remember, to create empty file, you just touch hello. So we should create empty file called touch hello. We use touch to create empty file. So we just do escape this column, this W and this to then quit. Then we just do let me see, have we given it permission? Yeah, we have done that. So git add. Let's do git add. Provide it git commit our changes. Provide the flag here. Let's call it delete. The message commit message should be, let's call it empty file or empty file, excuse me. So just hit enter. Let's do git push to our repository. Origin master, as you may notice before now, that's what we'll be doing. Origin master. So we're gonna do origin master. So we have done. So let's go and check our code. Our code. So hit check. We correctly did this thing perfectly. So you can see our code is correctly checked. Wow, that's nice. Let's go to the next task. You can see everything here. It's all good. It's all good. Go to the next task. So the next task here is to write a script that executes adds execute permission to the owner of the file. Hello. You know, it's very pretty easy. You're gonna see how I'm gonna do that. So let's copy the file name. You want to add the execute permission. So let's go ahead and create the empty file with touch. Provide the file name. Hit enter. Make it executable. Gmode. Gmode. Oh my god. Okay. U plus S. Oh, oops! I didn't provide the file name. So I want to make executable. Make executable. So we paste the file name here. So now it's not executable. So if you can see it. So let me now go and do the task we are required to do. So vim. Let's edit the file now. So to make the pasting. Okay. See why it's pasting. Let's see me. So let me just do vim from here. Vim. I always want to copy, so I will not make mistake enter static error when I'm writing the file name, because that could affect our code. So let's do normal insert mode. Let's do this by providing this information slash bin slash. So do the next thing. We are asked to make the file hello executable. So to do this pretty easy, just as we're doing, just do chmod. That is to make a file executable. Then what file do you want to make? Let's provide this flag for it. Chmod plus x. Yes. Then what is the name of the file? Just hello. So this is just the answer to this. So you escape as usual. Then do git add and git commit message. Let me put execute. So git push by the flag. Sorry, git push origin master. Okay, let's go and check the code. Wow, congratulations, our code is rightly checked. So we're good. So let's go to the next task. For the next task, you have to create multiple permissions. Write a script that add execute permission to the owner and the group and read permission to other users to the file hello. So let's go and do that. So let's copy the file name, multiple permission, and go to our command prompt here. So let's just do touch as usual. Touch paste to copy it. Let me see. Okay, multiple permission, created the file. So as usual, let's make this executable. So u plus x as usual. So oops. So let me provide the file name. Okay, I missed. Okay. So let me hit enter. So let me vim into the file we created and add that command that will do that task. So here we'll do I, so insert for inserting mode. Then we'll do normal our bank permission here. Then we'll put bin bash, yes, they will do enter. Then let's provide the command for the required task. To do that, just do chmod plus 114, then hello. So this is it. This is the answer. So just do escape. Don't forget your line of code should always be 2 lines. So don't do enter when you write your code, but you don't do enter for the next code line, so that will not be 3 lines. So just do it. Let me see if I've changed it. Let me see if I've given it executable permission. Okay, I've done that. So let's do git add, git commit, then provide the end flag, then provide let me say multiple copy permission as the message, multiple permission. So here do this, then we do enter. As usual, we'll do git push origin master, hit enter. So let's go and check our code. So let's see if our code actually runs successfully. Wow, our code is correctly checked. So let's go and do the next task. It's task 7. So here write a script that add execution permission to the owner, the group, and other user to the file hello. So let's do it. Task 7, let's do it. So let's copy everybody here. Command prompt, let do touch everybody. So touch. Where's this stuff? Okay, everybody. Then let's do change this mode, change it to executable. Don't always forget if your code will not run. So we'll do it sh. And to know if it's executable, if you run it with wc-l, you see that it will run. Chmod, let's provide the name. My name here is 7 everybody. To paste it, it's giving me hard time to do so. Let me just type it. 7 everybody. So this is it. So let's directory. Let's beam into the directory. I want to paste this. I don't know what is happening. Okay. So let's go and give that permission. So as usual, we'll do our normal this. I've said it before. Our normal stuff. Bank as usual. Bin bash, to make it executable. I'm sorry, to make it to show that it's a bash script file. To do this, we're gonna give it gmod u plus s plus, oops, sorry, it's not true. Gmod plus 111, yes, then hello. So this is the answer to that. So let me exit this point. So don't forget, don't after you do that, don't press enter, don't forget. So let me exit. So let me see if I've given it permission. So I've done that. So let me do git add and commit our changes and push. Oops, git add. git commit, provide the commit message. So let me say multiple or more. Let me just put more. Sorry, I didn't put a flag. Let's end. So git push origin master. So that's it. Let's go and check our code. So you can see our code is correctly checked. No errors. So let's go and do the next task. For the next task, write a script that sets the permission to the file hello as follows: owner, no permission at all; group, no permission at all; others, all the permission. So for the owner, we'll give it no permission; for the group, no permission; while others, we give all the permission. So let's go ahead and do that. File hello will be in the working directory. You are not allowed to use commas for this script. So let's copy the file. So it's born. So let's go ahead and do it. I love James Bond movie. So let's create the touch on the file. James Bond. James Bond is a movie that I love watching because of the actions. So maybe that's why they want us to have some actions here. That's why we are using this stuff. It's all good. So okay, let's just make it executable. So gmod as usual. So u plus x plus s. So plus s. So let me provide the name. I don't know why this is giving me hassle to paste. I don't know, but see. I don't know. It's giving me hassle to paste. Let me use this to see if it will work out. It's not working out. So let me paste again and see. Okay, that's worked. So ls, so permission now exists. So let's navigate into this file and work on it. So let me eliminate the hassle of pasting. Let me just do vi into the. But I like using Vim or vi because they're simple text editors. You can use other ones like Emacs. I think this case may be so. So here I'm going to give it as usual. Provide this information. Bin / bash. So the next we're going to do, let's give it the set the permissions as required. So gmod 007 is the permission. So you're surprised when you see James Bond 007. It's funny. So 007 hello. I think these days we call it James Bond 007. So let's do the normal exits as we did before. So let's do our git add. So we are done with this task, you see. So let's do the git add, git commit message. Let's say, let me just call it permission. So let's just do the git push. So let's see git push origin master. So let's go ahead and check our code. So let's see if our JSON is running. See if our JSON is taking actions correctly. So that's what I see the code. Oh, Sun is wrong somewhere. I think there's a typo. I made a typo. You see here. Do you notice it? I did this instead of this. I provided this information mark instead of the hash. Right. So that's the error. So let me go and fix it. So always look out for the errors so you know what to do. Sorry for that. It's an oversight. It's what happens as a software engineer. These are the things you're about to see. But the most important thing is the ability for you to troubleshoot this error and know what to do when this error comes up. So that's just it. So this is just the correction. So there's nothing more, nothing added. So that's just it. So let's do the git push again. Git add, and you see it to work fine, perfectly. So let's do git commit. Let's provide the flag -m. Let's now do our message. Let me say permission to. Since we updated it, let me call it permission to. So sometimes you want to do some reverts to be easy for you to do reverts. That's why sometimes it's good to write the kind of message that you can easily remember. So in case you want to make any changes or revert any changes, you can easily do that. Git push origin master. So let's go ahead. Check the code again. So JS1 don't want us to take some actions. So let's see if JS1 will take good action this time around or take a correct action. If it doesn't take good action, then it's gonna be crazy, man. So let's see. Wow, it's correct. So let's go ahead for the next task. So the next task, write a script that sets the mode of the file hello to these things you see on the screen: read, write, execute, read, just like this. So let's do that. So copy the file 9 John Doe. I want to copy the file 9 John Doe. 9 John Doe. We're going to paste it here. So we're going to paste this. We're going to create the file 9 John Doe. 9 John Doe. So we're going to create the file 9 John Doe. So 9 John Doe, we're going to paste here. Oh, 9 John Doe, you don't want to be pasted. Why? Okay. So 9 John Doe is here. We created the file 9 John Doe. So let's set permission for 9 John Doe. So 9 John Doe, I'm going to set permission for you so you could be executable. So I'm going to set permission for 9 John Doe. So 9 John Doe could be executable. So I'm going to do u plus x as usual to give it permission to be executable. So you can see the file 9 John Doe want to be executable. So you can see now 9 John Doe is now executable file. So you can see it's highlighted on green. So let's go and edit 9 John Doe and do the necessary thing we are asked to do. So let me use VI this time around instead of Vim. You can use any of them if you wish. VI, so 9 John Doe I to insert text. So on number, whatever you want to insert, just press I. So number I'm going to provide the Shimbang information as we earlier did. Dash. So this is it. So hit enter. So we're going to provide the task information, the command we are asked to do. So let's just do it. So it's just simple. Gmod 753 hello. I will do just watch out for the next video, so I will explain these numbers to you properly. But for the sake of this project, we're just using it to do the task. So, but I'm going to provide a video where we explain every permission to you in detail. But for now, just know this, or you can as well read the resources, so you can have first-hand information about what this is doing. But for this, just know that this is what is being done for the requirements. So Gitcard. So I'm gonna provide video with detailed explanation on that soon. So this just you can read the resources provided in the intranet. So git -n. Let me put it all permission. Just put all permission. Or John Doe. Well, I put John Doe, but no problem. Let me just it's not my task. Let me just do this. So let's just do git push to the what origin master. Origin. Git push origin master. So this is it. Let's go and check our code. Check our code, click on check code. So our code is correctly checked. So let's go on to the next task. Remember, don't forget that before you start this project, you need to do if you have watched the previous video on Git, I've explained how you're going to create Git accounts and do the cloning. So before you can start this project, ensure that you clone the repository so you can actually be pushing and do all the commits. So don't forget. So let's do the number 10. Write a script that sets the mode of the file hello the same as ole or ole, I don't know, mode. The file hello will be in the working directory. The file ole will be in the working directory. So let's go ahead and do this. First, we need to copy this guy here, 10 mega permission. We're gonna paste it here. Don't know why this is giving me trouble to paste. Okay, let me paste it. So let me just do v g mode. Let me set the mode. Let me set the execution mode first, so I'll not forget. So here is it. Oh, oops. Typo. I made an error. I didn't provide the flag. U plus X is executable. So as you know, U mean executable, S mean executable. It's executable. So let's do it. So now it is now executable. You can see the file here. Where is it? Okay, here. So let's do vim. Let's do vim to the file. So let me just do vim here. So let's do vim. So now we are in the file now. So let's create the content for the file. As usual, use our inserts. As usual, we'll do this session branch normal. Then vim batch as usual. That's it. So create the permission. So do tmod reference. Oops. Reference. Think reference ole. Yes. Then hello. So this is for the task. So we'll do escape column this. So let's see if we are giving it permission yet. Number 10 is it? Let me see. Let me see if we are giving it permission. Let me just see the file. So, okay, we're giving it permission. So git add, git commit. Let me save 10 permission. So let's do it like this. So 10 permission. So we're gonna do it this way. Hit okay, git push origin master, git push origin master. So we're gonna do git push origin master. So this is it. So let's go and check our code. So let's check our code. You know what? You just made it. Congratulations. All the code is being checked correctly. So wow, that's nice. Let's go ahead for the next task. So here we are create a script that adds execute permission to all subdirectories of the current directory for the owner, the group owner, and all the users. So this is what we're going to do. So not just looking at this code, but also knowing what I'm trying to do. Copy this permission. So remember what we asked to do. To create a script that add executable, that will create the script that will create should add execute permission to all subdirectories that are also directories of the current directory for the owner, the group owner, and all the users. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to create that permission for that. So let's go ahead and do that. To do this as usual, let's do our touch, create the file. We want to apply this command on touch. So let's do the pasting here. So let's do it, then let's change it to make it executable. C mode U plus X. So paste it here. There is not executable. As you can see, we can do that with this. So the file now exists. That is the file directory 11. So let's go and edit this file and give it the permission we want. So we're going to do this like this. Bin. Okay. So as usual, we're going to provide this information. This slash bin, then slash bash. So hit enter. To do this, we just type chmod a plus x, then hash, then forward slash. So this is it. We are done with that task. Let's go and execute it to see if it's correct. So git add git commit flag permission git push origin master. So that's it. Let's go and check our code. So let's check if our code is correct. So you can see our code is correctly checked. Check correctly, no error. As you can see, everything is working fine. Let's go for the next task. So now, for the next task, we have to create script that creates a directory called my directory with permission 751 in the working directory. Don't worry about these numbers. I'm going to do a video where I'm going to teach you bit by bit of what these numbers means. So let's go ahead and do this. So let's copy the y directory 12. Let's create the file. Paste it to create the file. So let's make the file executable now, as we always be doing. So let's paste it here. So let's do enter. So now our file is not executable. You can see the file here, the number 12. Where is it? Direct permission. Direct permission. So let's vim into this directory, into this file, and do the necessary permission that we want to give it. So as usual, in start mode is always I. As usual, you know. Then we're gonna provide a chain bank bash script file. Bin. So gonna be this and this. Then bash. Oops. Not bash bin. Then bash. I think this is the right thing. Yeah, sure. So let's go and do the, so let's include the command. So directory M751 and my directory. So we are giving this So flag here -m. So now we are creating the script. I create a directory with the 751 permission in our current working directory. So that's what it means. So let us do this. Escape. So let's go git add git add git commit -m check permission continue to anything whatever you wish. Git push I will push into origin master. So that's it for the task. Let's go and check our code. So let's see our code. So our code is correctly checked, so you can see. So let's go and do the next task. How many tasks are remaining? Okay, probably is the last task in the mandatory task. The advanced task is optional, but you can do it to earn more points. So let's do the last task here. The mandatory task before going to the advanced task. Advanced task has 4. Okay, write a script that changes the group owner to school for the hello. The file hello will be in the working directory. What it means is our script, we should write the script that changes the group owner to school for the file hello. So we're gonna copy the group, change group file. So here we're gonna do the same touch. So knowing this command is very important. So it's always so touch, hit enter. So you do vim touch so this is it. So let's create the permission. I to insert. If you do I, it should show you your insert mode. So you are not insert mode now. To insert anything, the text editor. So bin bash what else, hits enter. So let's include the command now for that. So to do that, don't forget for group is always cgrp, changing group permission, cgrp, yes, school, then hello. So what we did here, we've changed so we changed the group owner to school for the file hello. So this is it. So let's do git. Oops, we have not given permission yet. So let's give it permission. Let's give permission to the executable permission to the file. U plus X. I think that's it. Let me see. I'm trying to copy, paste what I copied before now. Oops, why is it taking time? So done that. I'll give it permission. So let us do our git add, commit, and push. Git add, git commit. Yes, okay. So let me call it change group. Let me just put it group. Let me write it as group. So group. So here would hit enter. So simply do git push origin master. So do this. So git push origin master, hit enter. So let's go and check if our code runs successfully. Check our code. So we'll do this. Check code. So let's see. Wow. Congratulations. You ended up completing the ELS share permission 0 task. So for this, you're in your 100%. So for those those guys that want to be more advanced, I want to have the more smart trade knowledge, I want to be rules, so you can just go ahead and unlock the advanced tasks. Wow. So we're gonna be doing some advanced concepts here. So these are the advanced tasks. So let's first of all do the first one. Write a script that changes the owner to Vicent and the group owner to staff for all the files and directories in the working directory. So what this app asking us to do, our script should be able to change the owner to Vicent and also change the group owner to staff for all the files and directory in the working directory. So let's go ahead and execute this and do this. So first of all, let's copy the file name. So let's go ahead and create the file here. Empty file with touch as usual as we're doing. So hit enter. So let's just give it permission. CH mode. Let's do this. CH mode. U plus X as we did before now. So give it a executable permission. So the file can be executable. You know we are creating a bash script file. So we're gonna hit enter. Okay, so we're gonna go into our text editor and do those things we're asked to do in the question. So here I'm gonna do this, then slash so bash so bash oops, bash bash then hit enter. So let's do it. John Vicent 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 semicolon staff then so this is it for the task. So let's do this. So let's do ls. So let's do ls. You can see that let's see if we are giving it the permission. So we are giving it the permission. Let's do git add. So let's do the git add. So let's do git add. So git add, then git commit. So git commit and flag. Let's call it group 2. So git push origin master. Enter. So let's go and check our code. So let's check. So we are correctly code correctly checked. So let's go to the next task. So the next task said we should write a script that changes the owner and the group of hello to Vincent and staff respectively. So we're going to write a script that changes the owner and the group owner of hello to Vincent and staff respectively. The file hello is the working directory. The file hello is a symbolic link. So let's go ahead and do this task. So let's copy the file. Let's copy this file. So let's go to our command. As usual, we'll do touch to create the empty file. We do enter. We change it to executable file. cmuch then u plus x. So u plus s. So let's hit enter. So let's do it this way. Oh, okay. So it's now executable file. So let's check if it is executable as indicated. So you can see now it's now executable file. You can see 101 symbolic link permission. So let's do vim to edit it. So give the permission we're asked to give. So do vim. So here we're going to do the shim bank as usual. So do the insert mode, then this bank, then slash bin slash batch script file, that what we want. So do enter. So let's give it the necessary permission. To do this, we just do change ownership, that's what it means. Change John, think minus h flag Vicent, then hello. Oops, Vicent staff, sorry. It's not working. The thing has wiped off. So let's see. Let's do it again. Trying to insert it. Let me see. I'm seeing the screen. I don't know what's happening. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, back. So probably this network. So some changes that was mistakenly made here as a result of malfunctioning. So bin. So here we said we're gonna give Vicent, then staff, then hello. So this is it. So John H Vicent staff hello. Okay, this is correct. So let's go and do the needful as we did before. Sorry. So if we do ls, where is it? 101. Okay, so let's do the git add. So I'll do git add, I'll do enter. So do git commit minus m flag. So we just provide the message symbolic. Let me provide the message as symbolic. Just forget about the spellings. Symbolic. So me just do it this way. Forget about the spelling. Doesn't matter. No matter provided you give it a copy message. Git push. Where are we pushing? Origin master branch. So we're done. Let's go and check our code. So let's check our code. think we made a typo. Let's see. Oh. So got through 10 character long expected VSend stuff. So made a typo. Let's go and correct this. Go back again to our code. So I think the error is here. So we made the error here. It's supposed to be like this. So that's it. So let's do git add again. Git add. Git commit -m. Git commit, then m flag. Message. Emails permit. Oh. Then git push. Origin master. Oh, that's it. Let's go and check the code again. So let's check and see if we are good. Oh. Wow, so you can see we are good. We have correctly checked the code. Everything is working fine. Go and do the next. I think the error is this. Let's try it now. See. It's out. It's commit. It's push. Let's go and check our code. Well, that's worked. That was the error. Let's go ahead with the next task. For this task, write a script that will play the Star Wars for episode. Play the Star Wars for episode in the terminal. So let's do that. Let's copy the Star Wars file. Now terminal. Let's create the file Star Wars. So create the file Star Wars. Then chim mode. Change to executable files. Chim mode. Then U plus X. Then the file name. Oh, typo. Just chim mode. U plus X, then paste this. Otherwise, I will got to paste it. Delete the stuff here. Small monk. Enter. So created. We created it. I'm seeing this yellow bar here. Let me delete it. So let's VI into the file. Star Wars. So normal we'll do our insert hash, oops, hash, bin bash. Then let's do the code. So here's the code for that. So let's go ahead and save it. Hit add. Commit -n. Last commit. Git push. Master. We check it. So let's check the code. Well, we successfully completed all the tasks provided this project. So that's all for now. More videos will be coming. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is the only way I can be encouraged and motivated to provide this more of this for your learning. Thanks and bye for now.